Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to make your data look exciting and professional, you're not alone. That's why I'm thrilled to introduce you to Infography, a user-friendly platform designed to help anyone create beautiful, impactful infographics. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or business professional, this tool has you covered. Let's dive in. What is Infography? Infography is an online design platform tailored for creating professional-grade infographics. It combines easy-to-use templates, powerful design tools, and customization options, making it accessible to beginners and professionals alike. With Infography, you can turn raw data into visually compelling stories in minutes. Key features of Infography. Ready-to-use templates. Infography offers a vast library of customizable templates for various needs, whether it's a marketing report, educational presentation, or social media post. Just pick a template, add your data, and you're good to go. Drag and drop interface. You don't need to be a design expert to use Infography. Its intuitive drag and drop interface allows you to create stunning visuals effortlessly. Customizable charts and graphs. Visualize your data with interactive charts, graphs, and maps. Infography makes it easy to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand or personal style. Export in multiple formats. Once your design is complete, download it in various formats like PNG, PDF, or even PowerPoint. It's perfect for sharing across different platforms. Collaboration tools. Work with your team in real time. Infography's collaboration features allow multiple users to edit and review designs simultaneously. Why choose Infography? Time saving. Infography helps you create professional visuals in minutes, saving you hours compared to traditional design software. Cost effective. With both free and premium options, Infography provides high-quality tools without breaking the bank. Professional appeal. The designs are sleek, modern, and customizable, ensuring your content always looks polished and professional. How to use Infography. Sign up for free. Visit infography.in and create a free account to get started. Choose a template. Browse the library to find a template that fits your project's needs. Input. Your data. Add your data, customize the visuals, and tweak the design to your liking. Export and share. Once you're satisfied, download your infographic or share it directly online. Personal experience and review. I've tried Infography for my own projects, and the results have been fantastic. It's so easy to use, and the visuals really make an impact. If you're looking for a way to level up your presentations, marketing, or teaching materials, I can't recommend Infography enough. Conclusion. Infography is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to create stunning visuals without the hassle of traditional design tools. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what kind of infographics you're excited to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.